All right, we got this amazing Urboro and Domo B31 ergonomic office chair. As you can see, you can turn around all the way 360 degrees. It rolls. It's very, very, very comfortable. Nice and padded right here. I really like the way this material feels back here. First thing I want to show you is the armrests. They go in and out like that. They also go forward and back. That's amazing. Then you've got actually let's come up here. Up here, you got this thing adjusts right here for your neck. Goes up and down like that. I'm gonna keep it about right there. That's really nice. And you've got down back here with the lumbar support that you can adjust going up and down. Like, let me actually come back here. So you can adjust it like so, up and down. That's really nice. Then we've got these pieces right here. So I'm gonna pull this one up, and you can watch as this slides out. So it slides out like that. I'm not sure if you saw that, but so it goes forward and back, and then it just sort of, you can lock it in there. Then from here, I'm gonna pull this one up push it down, pull it out. Sorry, I'm gonna pull it out. Now I'm gonna push it down, and it's gonna drop. It also raises when I push it down as well. From here, we are gonna lean back, and then it also locks into place. How I pulled that out, you push it in, it locks in. So that's really nice. I just think this is a really nice chair. Very high quality, straight up. Like, dude, this is the one you want. Highly recommend.